I mean, there is no way that's a local. That's an express for sure. Oh my god, it's coming down. And just that train coming.
Tomorrow, though.
And I'm gonna actually guess the Via. I remember last time I was here, I went down to that end. Like way down there. It's cold. Ugh. Oh, excuse me. That's very rude of me. I just ate before I did this. Oh, some buses going on the bridge. So to pass the time until the train gets here, I'm just gonna like just try and say stuff, which I am doing right now. Yeah, that guy's an express for sure. This guy's moving. Or at least it's probably a Via. Probably one of the Via Rail P42EC, part of the Genesis fleet. Even though it's not Amtrak, I know. But I like calling it Genesis because Amtrak is my favorite railroad of all times. And I sometimes call like the whole group of Amtrak, like Genesis Genocide. Never mind, it's a GO train. It's an express. We come. Yeah! Thanks, man! 622. Nice, he blew the horn! .341. Nice, blew the horn! That was awesome! Yeah! Train coming.
Maybe you don't understand that, but I need to.
And there's a... It's a local, I'm guessing. Or it's a Via. I'll go over here. By this green thing. Alright, here he comes. And alright, let's see what we got. Oh, he's stopping. He's a stopping. Oh my god, there's one of my teachers here. And there's an old cab car! Yeah! Nice! I was hoping to see something cool. Something rare. Nice! 255! Nice! Woo! Yeah! Oh, no way! Oh my gosh, this is awesome! And it's a 12-car set! No way! 255! No way! No way! Oh my! Yo! This is rarity right here. Good old 255. I remember the rail fan got this one on video, the back of an express. Yeah, it was 255, I thought it was 254. I got the two mixed up. Here he goes, yeah! Alright, here he goes. Yeah! Oh, I wish this was a full train of the old livery that we got. That one car, oh, it's 4,000 series, but I'm just trying to be funny. Okay, maybe this is the consist that the real fan got on video, but it's just a local. See? Same wrapped car from before that the real fan got on vid. And we have 618! Yeah! 255, 618, amazing consist. Nice! And the signal just turned red. Nice! Okay, why is that bit of the track yellow? Yellow, 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 yellow. But there's a train coming.
Yay, yes.